Hello friends, in this video I intend to teach you how to verify your account on that full platform. After registration, you click on the profile section and then click on reconfirmation of personal data. Verify your account in 2 steps. Upload your ID card and a recent utility bill or bank statement for residence proof. Upload ID card photos. Then upload a document for address verification. Submit documents. We select the ID card verification section and upload a photo of the front and back of your ID card. In the second stage of the verification, you need to upload a bank statement or a utility bill to prove your place of residence. Click on Select and keep in mind that your document must be dated within the last 3 months. After entering the documents, you click on Submit for review. Then your documents will be under review and you will receive the results after 24 hours. And after entering the documents, you click on Submit for review. Then your documents will be under review and you will receive the results after 24 hours. Verify your account with ID. For payment, click Payment Method Verification. Select to verify your payment method. Click on Payment Method Verification. You select the type of verification for your account, and we choose Verification of the electronic wallet. Then click on Select, and after uploading the document, click on Submit for review. Your documents will be under review, which takes about 24 hours. It will be reviewed. And to check the status of your verification, click on My Profile. Also, on the profile, as you can see, our account has been verified. Good luck.